On today's presentation, I will be talking about how to create a Google Knowledge Panel. Creating a Google Knowledge Panel means you need to meet certain criteria because Google relies on information from authoritative websites or platforms to trigger a Google Knowledge Panel. I will be listing some of these trusted websites or platforms. Starting from the top, we have Wikipedia, IMDb, Crunchbase, news articles, Amazon Kindle, Google Play Books, an optimized YouTube channel, a personal website having structured data with the help of schema markup. Creating a Google Knowledge Panel is an excellent way to enhance your online visibility and provide authoritative information about you or your brand. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this using various platforms and structured data with schema markup. So number 1, build a strong digital presence across trusted platforms. I will repeat that again. Build a strong digital presence across trusted platforms. To create a Google Knowledge Panel, Google relies on verified and authoritative sources of information. So, ensure you have presence on the following platforms. Starting from Wikipedia. So, Wikipedia. Create a detailed, neutral, and well-referenced Wikipedia article about an entity. Follow Wikipedia's notability guidelines to ensure your articles qualify for inclusion. Cite credible sources like news articles, academic references, or industry publications. Moving forward, we have a practical example of a Google Knowledge Panel I created mainly using Wikipedia as the main source of information. So the question is, how did I trigger the Google Knowledge Panel? First of all, I started by creating a Wikipedia article about a notable subject. On the screen, the subject is Baltasar Ebang Engonga. I will repeat that again. It is Baltasar Ebang Engonga. This was what the search engine result page looked like before I created the Wikipedia article. It took less than 5 days for the Google Knowledge Panel to appear on the search engine result page. And now this is the final result on the screen in less than 5 days. This is an evidence to prove that Wikipedia is one of the major sources that Google relies on to create a Google Knowledge Panel. It is good to note that Wikipedia is not a platform for advertisement. So if you intend to create a Wikipedia article, ensure that the subject is of a notable entity. Otherwise, the article might be deleted by the administrators on the platform. So do proper research before publishing on Wikipedia because Wikipedia is highly monitored and regulated. Next, I'll be moving to IMDb. Set up or claim your IMDb profile, providing accurate, detailed information about your work, awards, and achievements. Regularly update your profile with your latest projects. Next, I have Crunchbase. Use Crunchbase to highlight your business, achievement, fund rounds, and key metrics. Ensure your Crunchbase profile includes accurate detail and links to external references. Next is news articles. Publish articles or get featured in reputable news outlets. These articles serve as credible references for Google algorithm. So the next is Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books. Publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books using your real name or brand name as the author. Ensure the metadata, title, author, description is accurate and consistent. Next, we have YouTube channel. Create and verify a YouTube channel under your name or your brand. Use the channel to share professional content and engage with your audience. A verified badge adds credibility. Personal websites or company website. Build a professional website with comprehensive information about yourself or your brand. Use structured data, that is schema markup, to help Google understand and categorize your website's content. Structured data helps Google easily interpret information on your website. Implement the following schema type on your website. Person or organization schema. For individuals, use person schema to provide details like your name, birth date, occupation, and social profile. For businesses, use the organization schema to highlight the company name, founders, address, logo, and social profiles. Consistency across platforms. Google prioritizes consistent information. Ensure your name, title, and other details are uniform across all platforms, including Wikipedia, IMDb, Crunchbase, and your websites. Get verified on social media. Verification badges on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter signal authenticity to Google. This can further solidify your eligibility for a Google Knowledge Panel. Generate media coverage. Get featured in the press or interviews with authoritative news platforms. These articles serve as sources for Google to pull verified information. Monitor and optimize. Once the Google Knowledge Panel appears, use the Claim This Google Knowledge Panel feature to manage updates. Continue publishing authoritative content and building links from credible sources. By implementing these steps and optimizing your digital footprint with schema markup, you increase the chances of Google generating a Google Knowledge Panel for you and your brand. This is a clear example of how to create a Google Knowledge Panel. Thanks for watching. Ensure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.